Hi, this is Damian Karlson with Platform 9 with a demo of using vJailbreak to migrate a Windows virtual machine from VMware vCenter over to Private Cloud Director. So here's our vCenter, and this is our candidate VM. I'm opening up the console, and you can see that the virtual machine is up and running. I log into the console as the administrator and see that while it dislikes being shut down unexpectedly previously, the operating system does work properly, server dashboard shows up, etc. One cool feature about vJailbreak that I'd like to highlight is that the source and target MAC addresses are retained. The MAC address shown here in vCenter will be the same as the MAC address that I'll show you in Private Cloud Director after the migration is over. This is the vJailbreak console. I am entering in the credentials for the source and target platforms. I'm filtering the list of virtual machines to find the VM that I'd like to migrate. Once that comes up, I select the VM and map the source network to the target networks and the source data storage to the target data storage. And then I have migration options that I can choose, but since they're all optional, I'll just leave them as the defaults and then start the migration. The length of the migration process itself can vary depending on the size of the virtual machines being migrated, the network conditions, the speed of the data storage, etc. In this case, my demonstration environment is actually quite different between the source and the target, so I've sped up this video quite a bit to save some time. But while this process is working, vJailbreak does a change block track copy of the source disk to the target data store. And then once it confirms that there have been no changes and it has fully copied it, then it will power down the source VM and begin converting that virtual machine to an open source disk format. While it does that, it also uninstalls any VMware device drivers and VMware specific virtualized hardware and installs the open format equivalents of those, including guest OS agents. Once that's complete, we can go over to our target environment and we can see the overview of this VM, including the MAC address that matches. Additionally, if the source and target network segments are the same, or if there's a static IP address set, the IP address would be retained as well. Then when I pop open the console window, we can see the VM is available. I can log in. It's still fully functional. And that's it. Migrating a virtual machine is fast, easy, and automated with vJailbreak. Thank you.